So before this trip, I haven't really heard much about La Réunion. See, I can't even pronounce it correctly. John, please help me out with this one.
La Réunion?
Ah, yeah, thanks. So, this little island is a French overseas department in the Indian Ocean between Mauritius and Madagascar. Because friends of friends are also friends, I had the chance to spend 14 days there. Now, this is definitely my favorite island. So let's see if Réunion really got the potential to be the perfect paradise island. We got white beaches, check. Black beaches, check. Palm trees, a lot. Some nice bars and restaurants by the ocean, check. Amazing cliffs and coastlines, check. Jungles and a lot of green, check. Waterfalls, check. Curvy mountain roads, check. And volcanoes, check. Although there are definitely sharks around the island, you always feel safe. With certain secured areas, you always know where you can go for a swim at the beach.
Downtown demon, ready for the evening. This full of secrets, can't show any weakness. Dark night creeping, spending on the weekend, trying not to fall in love, falling in deep.
If I'd really have to find a downside, it would only be that most people barely speak any English, but that's still the case in most countries of the world, and you get along somehow anyway. With all the mountain roads and endless possibilities, it takes some time to see all the different parts of the island. But all in all, it's still pretty small, so you can get around quick and, for example, see the sunrise on a volcano, dive into a waterfall during the day, and relax at sunset on the beach.